Hello everyone, I'm Subhojit Panda from OdissaTV.in presenting you today's news from Odisha. First headlines. Ruling Biju Janata Dal calls dawn to dusk bandh in South Odisha in protest against Polavaram project. Affects normalcy in districts. Central government approves financial assistance of Rs 815 crore for drought-affected Odisha from National Disaster Relief Fund. Odisha government puts 2 limestone blocks for e-auction in accordance with the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act 2015. House panel meets Railway Minister in New Delhi. Places demand for Rs 5,000 crore allocation in ensuing rail budget. And music of Tarang Cine Productions' fourth venture Tu Kahibu Namu releases on Wednesday in presence of the entire star cast. Now the details. Normal life in Koraput, Malkangiri, Nabarangpur and Raigada districts was thrown out of gear on Thursday due to the bandh called by the ruling BJD in protest against the Polavaram project. Shops and business establishments remained closed during the bandh and vehicular movement was also affected as the protesters staged demonstrations at different places of the districts, intensifying the opposition to the project. However, emergency services were spared from the bandh, which is being observed from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. today. BJD is also scheduled to stage a dharna in front of Raj Bhavan in Bhubaneswar today. Notably, Chief Minister and BJD Supremo Naveen Patnaik on Wednesday said his government will go all out to protect the interests of tribals affected by the mega multipurpose project. Odisha will fight for its rights in Polavaram to the finish. BJD rallies at Bhubaneswar and undivided Koraput districts on January 7th. Tweeted Naveen, a total of 6,818 persons from the state, 5,916 of them tribals, will be displaced due to the Polavaram project in Andhra Pradesh. Besides, 7,656 hectares of forest land and 26 villages will be submerged, the Odisha government has said. The central government on Wednesday approved financial assistance of Rs 815 crore for drought-affected Odisha from the National Disaster Relief Fund NDRF. In November last year, the state government had submitted to the centre a memorandum seeking Rs 2,199 crore for drought relief. The decision was taken at a high-level committee meeting in New Delhi chaired by Home Minister Rajnath Singh to discuss the situation in drought-affected states like Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh and Telangana. The committee granted monetary assistance to all states except Telangana. The decision about the state has been deferred till next week. Andhra Pradesh was allocated Rs 433.77 crore, while Uttar Pradesh got Rs 1304.52 crore to deal with the situation. The committee examined proposals based on reports of the central team which visited the affected states. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley, Agriculture Minister Radha Mohan Singh, Niti Aayog Vice Chairman Arvind Panagaria, Union Home Minister Rajiv Maharishi and other senior government officials attended the meeting.
केंद्रीय अनुदान पाई 2199 कोटी टंकार मेमोरांडम दिया हेतला ताकू भित्ति करी हमर केंद्रीय टीम आस्थिले माने माने गला परे तांकर रिपोर्ट देथिले जोथरे की जे अनुमान कराउ छै से माने रेकमेंड जो करितले अमाउंट 1013 कोटी टंका 65 लाख टंका 1013 कोटी 65 लाख टंका आज हाई लेवल कमिटी बसथिला अंडर द चेयरमैनशिप ऑफ ऑनरेबल यूनियन होम मिनिस्टर एटा हमर राज्य सरकार को 815 कोटी टंका अनुमोदन करछिंदी.
The Odisha government has put 2 more mines, limestone, on the block in accordance with the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act 2015. The mines, which are placed for the online auction, are Goramura Limestone Block in Nuapada district and Khatkur Bahal Limestone Block in Sundargarh district. The state government has put the 2 limestone blocks for the auction after issuing notification for online auction of Ghoraburahani Sagasahi East Iron Ore Block of Sundargarh district in December 2015. While Central PSU MSTC is providing the electronic platform for the auction, SBI Capital Markets Limited SBI Cap, a subsidiary of State Bank of India, has been engaged as a transaction advisor. Detailed tender document along with timelines, notification, updates and other details for the e-auction process for the mineral blocks are available in the electronic form only and can be downloaded from the website of MSTC Limited. earlier, a committee under the Development Commissioner had approved 12 iron ore, manganese, limestone and bauxite mines for auction. After Sanjay Das Burma and Atanu Sabyasachi Naik, it was the turn of School and Mass Education Minister Devi Prasad Mishra to face protest by Congress activists in Sambalpur on Wednesday. A day after some youths claiming to be the members of Chhatra Congress hurled eggs at Health Minister Atanu Sabyasachi Naik's car in Devgarh, the women's wing of the Congress showed black flags to Devi Prasad Mishra when he was on his way to Nisingaguru High School to attend its Platinum Jubilee ceremony. Meanwhile, 5 women activists have been detained by the police. On the other hand, Minister Devi Mishra denied black flags shown to him by the protesters. There was a protest by some women, but I did not see any black flags, Mishra said.
मु तो जानी नहीं आज कला पताका किए देखौथिले सेमाने जदी कोन कहिवार थिला तांको स्मारक पत्र मते देई परथांते मु तो ओल्लै की नहीं थांते मु एबे आपन को सुनुची जे किए 2-4 जण आस्थिले मु जानी नहीं कि मते के विरोध करना।
BJD spokesperson Pratap Deb asked Congress activists to stay away from such nefarious activities while saying the party will accept the tit-for-tat policy. However, senior Congress leader Suresh Rautrai and MLA Krishna Chandra Sagaria showed displeasure over the egg-hurling incidents and claimed that the party activists are not involved in such acts. Mounting his attack on Congress, Excise Minister and BJD Vice President Damodar Raut said the opposition is playing dirty politics. Notably, eggs were thrown at Health Minister Atanu Sabyasachi Naik's vehicle in Devgarh. Similar kind of incidents were reported in Puri and Chhatrapur, where eggs were hurled by members of Chhatra Congress and Youth Congress at the vehicles of Food Supplies Minister Sanjay Das Burma.
तो मु खाली एतिकी अनुरोध करी विशेष सभापति को एभली कार्यक्रम ख्यात रुहतु ता सत्वे भी जदि बारंबार एक कथा करेंगे ताहले आवश्यक स्थल मुकाबला करा आवश्यक पड़े सी जमी कथा कर टिट फर टाट हम कि जब कांग्रेस ये सब जिन कर तो निश्चित भाव कोटा कोटी बीजेडी कर्म उत्तक्त निश्चित भाव में
कहली पूरा संस्था राजनीति न कल कि अंडा माड़ करते तो सरकार त्रुटि पुचु थे लोकलोचन आने कथा अंडा फुआड़ा कथा नुह कौट कि समस्या अच्छी समस्या को अनुधान कर लोकलोचन को आणतु बर गुरुत्व बढ़ अंडा फुआड़े लोक से घृणा करेंगे
आम प्रस्तुत अच्छु जो आह्वान देते कार्यकारी करूँ आम कार्यकारी करूँ पिला जहाँ कर उचित कार्यक्रम ग्रहण कर आम तो समर्थन कांग्रेस समर्थन कर भावधारा पिला चिंताधारा पिला कार्यक्रम को आम समर्थन कर
सामान्य गोटे अंडा गोटे टमाटो को पकड़ा डिसीजन नब एगुड़ा भूल कथा एतरे कांग्रेस कौन युवक बा छात्र कहीं इनवल्व ना से युव कांग्रेस छात्र कौन ये छोट काम करेंगे
कांग्रेस कहीं से निष्पत्ति नब आम गणतंत्र विश्वास करूँ गणतंत्र पद्धति आम प्रतिरोध करूँ विक्षोभ करूँ अंडा माड़ के कांग्रेस माने समर्थन करूँ किंतु ये कांग्रेस निर्देश नुह कि तुम अंडा माड़ करो।
The Odisha government has initiated the process to introduce sweeping jail reforms in the state. As part of the initiative, the government has decided to replace the Odisha Jail Manual 1942. The Directorate of Prisons and Correctional Services has prepared a draft jail manual titled Odisha Model Jail Manual for the Superintendents and Management of Prisons in Odisha. The draft jail manual has been prepared after examining the Jail Manual 2003 prepared by the Bureau of Police Research and Development as well as jail manuals of 6 neighbouring states. As per the proposals laid out in the draft, all land phone calls by under trial prisoners or UTPs from the jail will be recorded, for which an EPBAX call recording machine would be installed in each jail. Considering the number of UTPs lodged in the jail authorities would decide on the duration of meetings between the UTPs and the kin. The kin would be allowed to meet a UTP twice a week with a time limit of 15 minutes for a single meeting. For female UTPs having minor children, there will be a provision to open a play school inside the jail premises. The UTPs will not be allowed cooked food prepared outside the jail. The jail authorities will set up a canteen inside the jail from which the UTPs will get the food through their prison incentives. There will be a special block for dreaded and high-profile criminals which will be under the scrutiny of the paramilitary forces. The House Committee on Railways, led by Odisha Assembly Speaker Niranjan Pujari on Wednesday, met Railway Minister Suresh Prabhu in New Delhi and placed a demand for Rs 5,000 crore allocation in the ensuing railway budget. House Committee member and BJP MLA Pradeep Purohit said, "I'm happy the way Prabhu discussed with the House Committee in front of railway officials. He had promised to us that Odisha will not be neglected, and I expect that the state will get more in the forthcoming rail budget." Congress MLA Tara Prasad Bahinipati, who is a member of the House Committee, said, "I'm satisfied with the discussion. However, future will tell whether the talks were successful or not." Bahinipati added,
जे कमिंग एनसुइंग बजेट रे 5,000 करोड़ ओडिशा को देवा पाई ऑनगोइंग प्रोजेक्ट पाई टॉप प्रायोरिटी आमे देइछु केबीके अंचल रो प्रोजेक्ट मान का पाई मध्य आमे प्रायोरिटी देइछु विभिन्न एमयू होइतिबा प्रोजेक्ट गुडा का मध्य पुंखानुपुंख आलोचना हेछि एवं समस्त प्रोजेक्ट शीतलापल्ली वागन फैक्ट्री पाई मध्य आलोचना होइछि
दुईटा नुआ ट्रेन गोटे होची भुवनेश्वर जयपुर पाई गोटे नुआ ट्रेन आ गोटे कोरापुट कलकत्ता विजयनगरम भाया भुवनेश्वर हेकरी गोटे मिडरे गोटे नुआ ट्रेन दुईटी नुआ ट्रेन एवं 5टी एक्सटेंशन करबा पाई आलोचना कलु ता भितर से 5टा करबा पाई बोली प्रतिश्रुति देइचंती एवं गोटे न्यू ट्रेन करबा कथा से विचार नेब बोली कहचंती
गत थर जेते सरकार दाबी करन ताठ अधिका मध्य अर्थ बराद कराई आगामी रेलवे बजेट रे ओडिशा तार अधिक भाग पाइबो.
The BJP on Wednesday said it would stage protests in each village in Odisha against the massive irregularities in the distribution of ration cards. Announcing this at a press meet at the party office in Bhubaneswar, senior BJP leader Vijay Mahapatra said there is no provision for withdrawal of ration cards under National Food Security Act NFSA. The window provided by the Odisha government for withdrawal of ration cards is grossly illegal, he said. He said there have been scores of allegations against MLAs, mayors and civic body chairpersons about illegal possession of ration cards. After the allegations, they have announced to withdraw the ration cards. He also maintained that the advertisement recently released by the state government in several newspapers asking the ineligible beneficiaries to return the ration cards within 15 days is also illegal. The BJP leader also alleged that the state government had violated the rules for its own benefit by changing the provisions of the Act 3 times since the beginning of the implementation of NFSA in the state. Reacting to the statement of the BJP leader, BJD spokesperson Sashi Bhushan Behra said the stand of the state government on ration card issue is transparent as it had started the process of elimination of ineligible beneficiaries from the list. Considering his immense contribution to the development of telecommunication and technology in the country for nearly a decade in the 1980s, the Odisha government on Wednesday appointed Sam Pitroda as technology advisor for the development of telecom, electronics, information technology and information technology enabled services ITES sectors of the state. Official sources said the appointment followed Pitroda's consent to the proposal made by the State Information Technology IT Department. The state government hopes that Pitroda, who was the founder and the first chairman of the Telecom Commission, would be able to make use of his rich experience and contact base to attract investments to the state. A native of Balangir district, Pitroda had recently visited Odisha to release his autobiography, Dreaming Big, My Journey to Connect India. Pitroda was advisor to the Prime Minister on Public Information Infrastructure and Innovation. He was also the chairman of National Knowledge Commission from 2005 to 2009. A total of 8,067 candidates cleared the Odisha Civil Service OS Preliminary Examination 2015 conducted by the Odisha Public Service Commission OPSC, the results of which were announced on Wednesday. Out of 8,067 candidates, 4,101 are from general category, 887 from SEBC, 1289 from SC and 1790 from ST category. The successful candidates are eligible for the OS main examination, the date for which will be announced by the OPSC later. A total of 44,122 candidates had appeared in the examination on 8th November last year. The examination held at 162 centres in 5 zonal centres in Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Balasore, Barampur and Sambalpur included 2 objective type papers with 2 hours duration each. Both the papers carried 200 marks each. The examination was held in 2 shifts. While the first shift had started from 10:30 am, the second shift began at 2 pm. The capital city on Wednesday saw the exclusive music launch of Tarang Cine Productions' youth-centric film Tu Kahibu Namu in the presence of its lead pair Amlan and Niharika Das, the winner of reality show Kiye Hebo Mo Heroine Season 2. Tapu Mishra, Bibu Kishore, Ira Mahanti and Asima Panda have lent their voice for the 5 songs in the film. The film's title track, Tu Kahibu Namu, picturized on Amlan and Niharika, has turned out to be the main attraction of the movie. The film, produced by Tarang Cine Productions and directed by Sushant Mani, is scheduled for release during Makar Sankranti. It may be recalled that Tarang Cine Productions, a movie-making unit of Odisha Television Networks (OTN), the leading electronic media house in Odisha, had earlier made films like Ishq Tu Hi Tu and Anubhav Varsha starrer Gapa Helebi Soto and Jaga Hatare Poga, all of which have turned out to be big hits at the box office.
बढ़िया बढ़िया गीत तैयारी फुट टैपिंग बीट्स अच्छी रिदमिक अच्छी सॉफ्ट गीत अच्छी रोमांटिक अच्छी टाइटल गीत लोक मैंने पार्टी में सहज मन रखे सेमती तैयारी
गोटे गीत स्लो रोमांटिक अच्छी आ गोटे गीत रोमांटिक अच्छी किंतु टिके सेमी क्लासिक ता भितर टिके पंच दिया है टिके म्यूजिकल टच दिया है
म्यूजिक मु पर्सनली कहबी जे मते टाइटल सॉन्ग ता बहुत ही बढ़िया लगी बाकी जो सब गीत गुड़ा अच्छी बहुत सॉफ्ट अच्छी बहुत टचिंग अच्छी
टाइटल ट्रैक टा मोर बहुत फेवरेट आ गोटे तापु मैम गाई चंती तू गला परे से दीटा मोर बहुत से सॉन्ग टा स्पेशली मोर हार्ट टचिंग जेतळे बाजे म सेतळे लिटरेरी मन पर कांदी बकाय मते बहुत ही भल लागे से सॉन्ग
तो मोस्टली एटा गोटे ट्रेंडी कहानी आ ये कहानी रे आमे यूथ को टारगेट करछु आ हमको हमरो भरोसा अछि जे जो मोस्टली यूथ ऑडियंस अछन से माने ए सिनेमा रे कहानी पसंद करिवे.
Before wrapping up the news headlines once again, ruling Biju Janata Dal calls dawn to dusk Bandh in South Orissa in protest against Polabram project, affects normalcy in districts. Central government approves financial assistance of rupees 815 crore for drought affected Orissa from National Disaster Relief Fund. Odisha government puts 2 limestone blocks for e-auction in accordance with the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act 2015. House panel meets Railway Minister in New Delhi, places demand for rupees 5,000 crore allocation in ensuing rail budget. And music of Tarang Cine Productions' fourth venture Tu Kahibu Namu releases on Wednesday in presence of the entire star cast. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.